So why YouTube video ads? Well, rather than setting up a new campaign from scratch, remarketing can be considered an effective method of capturing potential leads and re-engaging with an audience who have taken in an interest in whatever you are looking to sell or promote. Now, YouTube is a perfect place to do just this. You'll be able to connect with your customers directly through visual means and promote your business in a way which is highly effective to a target audience who are most likely to take an interest. It's simple. Video marketing has swiftly become one of the hottest trends in digital marketing, and it's not likely to die off anytime soon. Let's just take a look at some statistics. Now, 46% of users take some sort of action after viewing a video ad, according to the Online Publishers Association. Now, what's more impressive is that video ads increase purchase intent by 97% and brand association by 139%, according to a report by Unruly. So how could you afford to miss out on all of the benefits from video marketing? Using video ads is a great way to recapture an audience that was previously exposed to your content by giving them more persuasive information that will make them more likely to commit to a purchase. You'll be able to send out a second video ad to people who have already seen your other videos beforehand, or if someone from your target audience is watching a similar video content on YouTube or websites across the Google Display Network. Now, retargeting is also extremely influential on brand recall, meaning that people will be more likely to remember you and recognize your brand from all the rest if they are continuously seeing your ads following them around the internet. Now, I know that sounds weird, but you've probably experienced it yourself when you've been stalked by a product which you clicked on once. But this is retargeting, to remind you of a product that you didn't actually end up purchasing. What you'll want to do is aim to create ads that appear as organic as possible, that seamlessly appear as a natural part of the web page or search engine. What you'll want to do is set a frequency cap on your video ads so that you can limit the number of times your audiences actually see your ads. But we'll get into more detail regarding frequency caps a little later on in this blueprint. As digital marketing continues to evolve, we continue to see trends favoring video the most. Now, statistics have shown that 1/3 of all online activity is actually spent watching videos, and that's a staggering 85% of all US internet users. And what's more interesting is that online marketers have learned to use this figure to their advantage. As statistics show, 87% of marketing agents using video content for their campaigns. Focusing heavily on video ad campaigns has allowed marketers to grow 46% faster than those who haven't implemented them at all, which shows the huge benefits to reap from this rising trend. On YouTube, there are billions of users consuming millions of hours of content each and every day. This then becomes an incredibly useful pool of potential customers, whether you're looking to expand your brand awareness and social media presence, or if you're simply looking to promote a specific product or service. Now, interestingly, people retain 95% of a message when they watch it on video, as opposed to only 10% when they read it in text. So YouTube is the ideal platform if you're looking to target a potential audience. Remember that the more your audience is exposed to your content, the more likely they are to take an interest and follow your call to action. Now, this is why it can actually be a cheaper alternative to creating a whole new campaign from scratch, as a powerful way to recapture your audience.